How to add Snapchat link on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add Snapchat link on Facebook. For this, open the Snapchat app on your device. Here, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. From here, you can easily find your Snapchat username. Now, you have to remember this username. After that, you want to head over to the Facebook application. Make sure that you have signed into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon over here. After that, you want to tap on the option of Edit Profile. Now scroll down and find the option of Links. Here, tap on the Add option. Now you want to tap on Add Social Link option. Then you want to tap on the platform option, and from this drop down menu, tap Snapchat. Once you have selected Snapchat, go ahead and enter your Snapchat name. Once you have entered the username, as you can see, your Snapchat has now been linked with your Facebook account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.